Welcome. Today we are exploring the powerful AIGC tool for floor plan drawings. I'll show you how to apply beautiful templates and generate breathtaking designs instantly. Let's see it in action. In the Design tool, select Drawings from the left sidebar. Then, click Floor Plan. In the Floor Plan Drawings page, click the AIGC option on the left sidebar. In the AIGC tool under Styles, select the desired template. Then click Geniate. After generation, it will automatically redirect to the AL Gallery page. To continue generation, click the gallery icon in the upper right corner to return to the Style page, and select another template to generate again. You can also click the gallery in the upper right corner to switch to view the generated images. You may click Add to Canvas to insert the generated image, and then download it as needed. That's all. Thanks for watching.